Looking for a way to earn some extra cash by completing simple tasks? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal a fantastic opportunity that allows you to get rewarded for every task you complete, with the potential to earn up to €100 per task. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to earn money effortlessly. Watch the video now and start earning today. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored for your region. Now, let's get started. Whether you're a student looking to make some pocket money or someone who wants to supplement their income, this is the perfect solution for you. Join the ping pong testing platform today and start earning money by participating in research sessions. With the opportunity to earn up to €100 for each session you complete, ping pong is an excellent way to make some extra pocket money. In special cases, there are even opportunities to earn up to €200 for certain research sessions. You will get paid to your PayPal or TransferWise account a few days, usually 2 to 3 working days after your research session. The requirements: computer or laptop with a webcam and microphone that can handle video calls, a stable internet connection, and a Chrome browser. You can speak any language. They have a lot of research in various languages. How do you participate in these sessions? When you sign up as a tester, your details will be stored in the user database. If you match the criteria for the research, you will automatically receive an invitation. This invitation will tell you what dates and times are available for your session and the amount of money you earn for taking part in it. If you then decide to participate, just follow the instructions and pick an available time slot that's convenient for you. Don't miss out on this chance to get rewarded for your valuable insights. Join Ping Pong and start earning today. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.